Well, welcome to Staff's Lightning, rather Staff's Trains. Day of the Triffids, or Night of the Triffids. I don't know how well you're picking this up, but there's a spectacular lightning tonight. Been a very, very hot day, 31 degrees Celsius recorded here in Cheadle. Not sure how accurate my thermometer is. It certainly felt hotter than that. Very, very humid. And this is Night of the Triffids. I know the book was called Day of the Triffids, but a lot of it happened at night. Got quite a few giant plants in the garden, including Gunnera. I wonder if that's going to take on a life of its own and go and terrorise Stoke-on-Trent. No thunder yet, and no rain. But this is a rather nice ending to the day. Keep trying to alter my position around the garden, and CC, the local stray cat, is round my feet. Good evening, CC. Are you enjoying the lightning? Well, that was pretty good. Pretty good. Radish is also here, my rabbit. Good evening, Radish. Having a drink of water. It's been a very hot day for rabbits as well. But she's in some nice shade there. Plenty of cover with the trees. And a bountiful supply of food and water today. Not entirely sure whether that was lightning. There are quite a lot of freighters, aeroplanes that go over here at night, going into East Midlands Airport. Often waking me up. It's a good job I'm interested in aeroplanes, really. It's all exciting here. You're glad you tuned in now. Yeah, I think there's definitely some thunder approaching. Just go and try a different vantage point. See if we can see it somewhere else. It looks as if the best place to see the lightning is over in the west. So looking almost directly up Queen Street towards Central Garage. I hope we do get a storm after this. Clear the air. quite sure how well you're picking this up. Pretty impressive. What do you think, CC? Hope it's not going to blow over. That would be a bit of an anticlimax. Well, it certainly makes a change from watching the snooker, which has finished prematurely tonight. Plenty of decent lightning, but so far only the distant rumble of thunder. Unless, of course, it was a couple of heavy lorries going through Cheadle. Thankfully, my neighbour's security light hasn't gone on. It's like something off Star Trek. And just thinking about buying a large mirror to reflect the beam back. Still no thunder. Pretty good lightning. That was a fork lightning, I think, though I'm no expert. And I wasn't swearing. The noise you can hear is my son's bathwater cascading down into the drain. He's decided to have a bath at some unearthly hour. And now it's gurgling in the drains like something out of Edgar Allan Poe. or John Cooper Clarke, depending on what mood you're in. Some pretty good fork lightning, blanket lightning. Someone will have to correct me on those terms. My granddad used to take time exposure photographs of lightning, and I've still got one of his original pictures, which is pretty good considering it was the old 25 ASA film, and photographed in about 1925. Keep getting notifications on here, but Fishbones Glover, famous punk rock photographer, one of my old school friends, is just going to have to wait for a few minutes. If you're watching, Mr. Fish, I'll be with you in a few moments. Another slight echo of supposed thunder. Or is it the mind playing tricks? And this is getting a little bit repetitive now, so we're going to think of a different location. Apologies for the noise. It sounds like a mouse squeaking, but it's in fact my son, and he's shutting his blind in his bedroom. Doesn't want to see the lightning. Teenagers, eh? No sense of drama. Even you're out here, aren't you, CC? Yeah. Cats see so much that humans miss. Well, here we are, we've reconvened down at Cecily Brook, just down the road from my house. We're almost near the place called the Magic Tree. And definitely thunder. More of the blanket type lightning, but we're looking approximately south west here. I'm standing almost on a rock that we used to call Muckleflugger. Still here somewhere in the long grass. Here I've moved again, just to the left of Muckleflugger, in the hope of getting a decent horizon. And it's getting pretty bright. The bright midnight, as Jim Morrison said. Some of the lightning now seems to be coming from the south. So I'm going to turn slightly left. With a rumble of thunder. Yeah, that was in the south. So it's almost surrounding Cheadle. Maybe we are in the eye of the storm. Well, there's an owl on the telegraph wire above me. I wonder if he's enjoying the show.